dropped my wallet. I was contemplating on buying the new ballot. Hi guys, welcome to the COCO BUNNY vlog. As you can see, we're looking stunning. We're going to Cape Town. I'm not gonna cut that off. We're going to Cape Town. We're on our way now, guys. Happy 1st of August. CB Katori, CB Katori.
When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fuck her right. Body rude is humble like tell me in the humble thing. Tell me is you down, cause I'm tryna go good tonight. Only hope you slept right. I just wanna put it in fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies was pimps tonight, living inside a dream. Say where the love is like. I put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. I'm so deep in my bag, like a grandma with a peppermint. They say, well, she smell good. That's just cause I'm heaven sent. Sex game go stupid, stopping like a toothpick. Trying to tell the truth, your opinion is irrelevant. But I know you think I'm fine. Might be too fine to hit it from behind. Reflection in the mirror, don't get tired. I can't even lie. I put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good.
Checking in, we are 25. Thank you. Listen, okay, we arrived in Cape Town and one of our bags is lost or was left behind or something, so they said they're gonna deliver it. So yeah, now we're just rushing because my sister has an appointment with a doctor somewhere here in Cape Town. So we are renting a car and then we're gonna drop our luggage in the car and then she will go to the doctor and then we'll go to waterfront to have lunch. I'm sorry, like my hand is so painful. Ooh, this is the car. It's big. It's big, I like it. It's big. 25. Okay. Okay, the car is nice. It doesn't smell nice. It doesn't smell nice, but it's nice though.
Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern. It's floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for its taking. I always say, all be better on Saturn. None of this matters.
So guys, this is our room. Love it, love it, love it. Yeah man, perks of being the baby of the family. You get these small rooms. So my sister's gonna sleep here and I'm gonna sleep there. Guys, it's so cold in Globalstand and there's like an electric blanket. Wow, I love that for me. So yeah, let me get you. Good morning guys. Today's day one in Cape Town. It's so beautiful outside but it's gloomy. I'm gonna try and show you. Hi guys, we're about to go out now. We are going to the sand dunes, so I quickly want to show you my outfit, see how we look here. Okay. Alright guys, so this is my outfit for the dunes. We are going to the sand dunes. This is day one in Cape Town. Hope you can hear me because the sea is loud, but yeah, this is how I look. The glasses from I don't know, hair Mimi, fit Marabastat, and then this top that I'm wearing inside is a bodysuit from I forgot guys, I don't know. And then the usual the Air Force, yeah. So yeah, let's go. I can't wait to take fire
Tell a bitch, who step up in this bitch, I look too fly. Cop the New York shit on Ventura. Took a midnight swim in my tuba. Hating bitches block my medulla. I showed the bitch my pen, then I schooled her. Shot a essay, them in my tuba. Don't cheat the dime, don't cheat the dean, don't cheat supreme, that's why freaky little, sneaky little, creepy little whack bitch. Creeping on me, speaking on me, sleeping on me, mattress. Now I got some bands to burn and bars to bend them backwards. It's time to wake them up, cause they been sleeping on the track list. Body so attractive, y'all be giving catfish. Log them off the web and every gangster's giving actress. Gangsters giving actress and all these fake activists. Leave me baffled, bewildered, relax a bit. Let me relax a bit, I think I need to cool it off. I put some pep up in my step and then I do it up. I try my cutlery and hit my ruler up. Tell a bitch who step up in this bitch, I look too fly. Cop the New York shit on Ventura. Took a midnight swim in my tuba. Hating bitches block my medulla. I showed the bitch my pen, then I schooled her. Shot a essay, them in my tuba. Don't cheat the dime, don't cheat the dean, don't cheat supreme, that's why
So yeah, we are back at our apartment after Atlantis Dunes. We were supposed to go to wine tasting, but we couldn't go because we were late because we went to the mall to go and get stuff that we couldn't get the day before because it was also too late. So yeah, that took some time. Our booking was at 3, so by the time we got to the apartment it was already 2 something. And then when I called to reschedule, they told us that they close at 4, plus they're like 45-46 minutes away from us. So yeah, wine tasting is cancelled and we can't squeeze it in today or tomorrow because there's also stuff to do today and tomorrow. So we're just gonna chill here and see what we do. We're just gonna chill here and see what we do after today, you know. So yeah, plus it's cold and we are tired. Ooh, subscribe. BSAB CB category. To walk out and go to the beach because we're that close. Yeah, let's go to the beach.
There's another universe. Please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life if there's a point to lose and lose. Repeating pain. It's all the same. I hate this place. Stuck in this paradise. Don't believe in paradise. This must be when hell is like this. Got to be more, got to be more. Sick of the side of mine. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze. Never fun is not to sabotage this. Got to be more, been here before. Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern.
We are going to wine tasting now. Is at where do I press one? Our booking is at 0. I guess. Our booking is at 1. Yeah. Oh, I gotta go to this shop. Okay. My shoes are gold. Okay guys, we missed our boat, but they're gonna make arrangements for rescheduling. vlog. I didn't check you guys in, but yeah, today's my birthday and we're at the bungalow. Guys are checking in. Yo, we are tired. We are tired. We are back from the bungalow. Today is my birthday. I'm sure you've already seen by the title. Yeah, I'm gonna wipe my makeup off. We are tired. Shem, yo, the bungalow. The bungalow. I catch you. the best restaurant here so far that I've been to. I enjoyed the food, I enjoyed the company, I enjoyed everything. Like, it was so amazing, guys. They really made my birthday special, you know. Yeah, love it for me. Like, this place had me thinking about relocating, guys. Like, I can't see, like, this place really had me thinking about relocating. But first, I need to get a man in finance, 6 feet, blue eyes. 6 feet, blue eye. Keyword, man in finance. Okay? You had to sign a paper. Today is our last day. We are going home. It's day 5 in Cape Town. We're quickly gonna prepare something to eat. We're gonna leave late though. We're gonna leave at like 4, but we have to check out at 10. It's almost 10 right now. Or is it 10? I don't know. So yeah, man, we're going home. So excited. Bittersweet moment. You know, I really had a great time. Yesterday was my birthday. Man, I enjoyed myself.